Here I have ALCATEL Pop S3, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device and how to bypass pattern, password or other screen lock method. At the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, keep holding both keys. Release all keys as soon as ALCATEL One-Touch Pop S3 logo pops up. This is the Android system recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. At the very beginning you need to select the language, so in my case, of course, let me choose the English. Let's press power key to confirm it. Here we've got the recovery settings, so let's scroll down and highlight Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press power key to confirm it. Let's scroll down again from the following menu to Yes, delete all user data and press power button to choose it. Right now the device is whipping all personal stuff and customized settings. The phone is erasing also the installed apps, so let's just be patient and wait until the whole operation will be completed. Alright, as you can see, the Android system recovery pops up again on the screen, so now we have to press power key to reboot system now, and the device is restarting and rebooting. Let's just be patient and wait until the whole operation will be completed successfully. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, and as you may notice, there is no pattern, password or other screen lock method, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.